Yosemite, so we're gonna try to find all the cool stops along the way, all the cool things to see, and fill you in. The drive from Big Sur to Yosemite can take anywhere from 4 to 5 hours, depending on where you start and end. We had started from Ventana Big Sur because that's where we stayed the night before, and we were continuing our vacation onto Yosemite. There are so many beautiful places to stop when you're driving on Pacific Coast Highway. One of the most iconic is Mcway Falls in Big Sur. Now, unfortunately, this was closed when we visited, but we had been before, so we wanted to make sure we put this on your list in case it's open when you make your visit. As you continue north on Pacific Coast Highway, you will see the Bixby Bridge in Big Sur.
If you're cruising from Ventana to Yosemite like we are, or if you're anywhere on the one near Big Sur, you have to stop at this Bixby Bridge. It is gorgeous. Make sure to factor in some time, pull over, take some shots, take some videos, take some photos. You will be happy you did.
As you head north on Pacific Coast Highway, you will see all these amazing cypress trees, and you will enter the quaint city of Carmel by the sea. Sometimes it's just known as Carmel. We decided to just drive through because we have an upcoming trip to Carmel. If you're interested in seeing that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. But as you can see, this is a really cute town and a great place to get something to eat. We called a friend to figure out where to go next, and he recommended Lovers Point in Monterey. So we continued north and found this really cute park, which we probably never would have discovered without a recommendation from our friend who used to live in the area.
All right, we made it to Monterey, which is about 15 minutes from Carmel. Monterey is a cool little beach town. It's got a ton of stuff to do. It's got a fisherman's wharf type of area. It's got a bunch of cool little cafes. We're actually here in Lovers Point.
Yeah, Lovers Point.
Lovers Point, and so cool. Really cool blue water back there. Haven't seen that other than in some tropics, but really, really cool. We're gonna get back on the road, go out to Yosemite. Not sure if there's much left to see, but we'll fill you in. If not, we'll see you in Yosemite.
As you leave Monterey, you will start to head inland, and there is not a whole lot to see on this section of the drive. If you are aware of something cool, please leave it in the comments so that other people can know about it. But we really blazed through this part of the drive because we were excited to get to Yosemite. And if you need to stop for any last minute items or for gas, we recommend doing that in the city of Oakhurst, which is about 30 minutes from Yosemite National Park. Another thing to note is that once you get to the entrance, you still have another hour drive before you get into the main area where all the waterfalls and the hikes are. And if you want to see our experience in Yosemite during the pandemic, make sure to check out our video.